Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about Allegra, a well-known antihistamine. If you have seasonal allergies or chronic hives, this video is for you. Allegra, also known as Fexofenadine, is used to relieve allergy symptoms like sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and a runny nose. It's also very helpful for hives, those annoying red bumps that appear on the skin. So how does Allegra work? Allegra blocks histamine, a substance that our body produces which causes allergy symptoms. By blocking it, Allegra helps relieve those uncomfortable symptoms. Let's talk about how to take it. For adults and children over 12 years old, the usual dose is 60 milligrams twice a day or 180 milligrams once a day. It's important to take Allegra with water, not fruit juices, because they can affect how your body absorbs the medicine. And as always, follow the instructions your doctor gives you. As for side effects, the most common are headaches, dizziness, and nausea. Although it's not common, more serious side effects can also occur, such as strong allergic reactions. If you notice any strange symptoms, see your doctor as soon as possible. Finally, remember that it is very important to follow your doctor's instructions when taking Allegra. And if you have any questions, don't think twice, ask. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Take care and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.